Is the name worth it? Like, if you want to know more about this NUBAN Beauty My Skin foundation, then keep watching. Don't touch the dial. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another exciting video. Yeah, on today's video I'll be revealing a product I got from NUBAN Beauty. Yes, in my skin foundation and in my skin concealer. So guys, in case you've not watched the unboxing of these products, I'll be leaving the link in the description box, so please go and watch it. I know you're going to love it. Yeah, so guys, as I said earlier, I'll be revealing these products. Yes, but before then, if it's the first time of coming across my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, subscribe, hit that red button, comment, like and share, and also turn the notification bell so when I post a new video you'll be the first person to be notified. So guys, let me quickly do my brow. I'll be right back. I'm done with my brows, so let's get down to the business of the day, which is in my skin foundation. Yes, I've already applied primer on my face, so let's get down. Let's see how this is going to turn out. Before I end up applying this foundation, I will tell you what I feel about it. But I can still be talking while doing it, but I'm not saying much though. A lot of products. This one that I added, I think, is going to be enough for this. Blending. I'm making sure that I blend it out very well so that I will get what I want. And you know, I always blend my foundations very well, and it's very important that you blend your foundations whenever you're applying your makeup, because the way you blend your foundation determines the rest of the product, the rest of the results. Yeah, so you have to blend your foundations very well. So guys, I'll be going in now with the In My Skin concealer. Let's do highlight my face. Guys, like I said, I want this to look as natural as ever, so I'll be going off cam now to do the rest of the makeup. Yes, still coming back for this review because I'm yet to tell you my impressions about this product. Yeah, be right back. So guys, this is a final look of this makeup. Let's just get into the business of this video, the main business of this video. So guys, my 2 cents about this product. It's nice. Like as I'm wearing this makeup now, it's so light. Yes, it's so light. It's very, very light. I can assure you that. But if you're an oily skin person, if you have oily skin, I think this product is a no for you. Okay, let me not say it's not a no for you, but if you have to apply it, you have to use the powder technique. Yes, you have to apply powder before you go in with your foundation because it's oily. Yeah, this in my skin foundation is actually a type that gives you this natural glow. Yes, it gives you this natural glow. It's very light. Yes, it's very, very light. Both the foundation and the concealer is very light. So if you're a type of person who wears a heavy makeup, I don't think this is for you, but you can also give it a try. Yes, because it's very, very light. As I'm wearing this now, it feels like it's very light. It doesn't feel like there's something on my face. It's very, very light. So it gives this natural glow that is something that you can wear to the beach. You know, you can wear to the beach or want to, when you feel like you want to go for, you know, like a simple outing, you don't want heavy look, heavy makeup, you just put it on. It's so light. So for some people who doesn't like wearing makeup at all, I think you should grab a copy, like grab a bottle of this. You're going to like it because it feels so light. It feels so light, and this product is going to be very good on people who has dry skin. Yeah, dry skin that doesn't have oily skin. But for those who have oily skin, all you have to do is to use the powder technique. Yes, because in this video I didn't use the powder technique because it's my first time of trying it out. So when next time I'm going to use this product, I'm going to use the powder technique because I have an oily skin. As you can see from the beginning when I was applying the foundation, I think you can notice some oily things going on. Yes, this product is matte, but not matte. Yes, it's not matte, but it's matte. Yeah, it's not matte, but it's matte. So it's a good product, but the only problem I have with it is just oily because I have oily skin. But next time I'm going to apply this, I'm going to be using the powder technique to do it. So I didn't regret buying this product. It's good. I didn't regret buying it. Will I buy it again? Of course, sure. Am I going to apply this product again? Of course, sure, but not all the time. Yes, not all the time because not every time that I would like to use the powder technique. So guys, this is all about these products. If you're a type that doesn't like wearing makeup, you can go for this because it feels so light. Very light. Very, very light. I can assure you that. Very, very light. Yes, if you're also going to some places you don't want to wear heavy makeup, this is for you. This is for me. Is the name worth it? Like in my skin foundation, does it worth it? Of course it does. It's worth the name in my skin foundation. Of course it does. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye.